Bayani Bashi. Welcome to this ALS training course in Suleymaniye. I would like to thank you all for attending the course, and I would like you to enjoy as much as you can and learn as much as you can. I hope you'll find this course beneficial for your practice and your career. Now, I would like to start to welcoming our guests. Dr. Rafid Aziz, he's the president of the United Iraqi Medical Association in UK and Ireland. Dr. Nasir Al-Maliki, he's the dean of Koot Medical College, and Dr. Wasit Medical College, and Dr. Saad Al-Badri, he's a consultant in consultant physician at Wasit, and he's a professor of medicine as well. I also would like you and me to welcome our team of instructors who join us today to deliver this course. Dr. Nawfal Al-Mubarak, professor of anesthesia and ITU at Basra University. Dr. Ranj Khaffaf, consultant anesthetist from Wales. Dr. Sadeek Salih, I think you all know him, he's very popular here. He's a consultant in accident emergency in Suleymaniye. And Dr. Firas Majid, he's a consultant trauma surgeon in Diyala. So welcome for this course. Before we start, I would like to ask Dr. Rafid Aziz to give his speech on behalf of the UIMA, the United Iraqi Medical Association in UK and Ireland. Dr. Rafid.
Good morning, everyone, and thank you all for joining us today. It is a pleasure for us as the United Iraqi Medical Association in the United Kingdom and Ireland to be here with you and to work together to help you and to help ourselves as well to reach a point that how we can improve the standard of training in Iraq and today in Suleymaniye. One of the aims and goals of the United Iraqi Medical Association, UK and Ireland, is to support our colleagues, support them in their training, their education, and also support them in their profession, in their career as well. United Iraqi Medical Association, established in the UK after an election in 2017, and the idea was to have all the Iraqi associations, medical associations, in one association. That's why I called the United. We have been working together with our colleagues in Iraq and our colleagues in the UK, Ireland, and all over the world to work together to reach the aims of working together, all the Iraqi doctors and other health professionals from Iraqi universities inside Iraq, outside Iraq, and how to work together to support each other. This is the first thing, to build the bridges between all the Iraqi health professionals all over the world to support each other. And the aim of that is that to improve the quality and the standard of our colleagues, and also aiming to improve and to lift the standards of the health services inside Iraq. You are all welcome to join the UIMA, United Iraqi Medical Association, as members. Members now is reaching a few thousands now from all over the world. You can apply, there's an application you can fill, simple application, you can apply, and you can pay the fees for the annual fees, to be a member. We have conferences and we have workshops. We have different specialities. We aim for different specialties support. So for examples, we have workshops for gynecology and obstetrics. We have workshops for anesthesia, regional anesthesia, workshop for surgery, workshop for medicine, pediatrics, and different workshops. We try to do the workshops mostly in Iraq if we can. Sometimes because of logistic limitations, we do it outside Iraq, like in the UK, and sometimes near to Iraq, like in Istanbul or Ankara or other cities or other countries around Iraq. You are all welcome, as I said, to join the UIMA, and you are welcome to give us feedback as well. UIMA is a voluntary association. It is not for profit organization. We don't have any profits. All the team coming with us from inside Iraq and outside Iraq, we work at our own time. Nobody is paying us anything for our work, and we encourage the culture of voluntary work and the culture of supporting each other. And we feel by doing that, we will reach a high standard of quality for our colleagues, and it is required that we support each other. We try in this course, this course is tailored to the need of our colleagues in Iraq, to reach the point that when they reach a point or any situation need resuscitation for their patients, at least they can remember the ABC simple steps, how to resuscitate, how to deal, because it's in only a few seconds or a few minutes to save life. We hope that this course will be beneficial for you and useful for you in your career. We are aiming always to have the newly graduated doctors and doctors who are in training, like we call them permanent registrars or the board trainees. And the idea is that, I mean, if we train the newly qualified doctors or the students in medical schools, we aim that we put them in the right path to go to the right direction and to learn the right things. I don't want to take long of your time. I'd like to thank Faruk Medical Association or Health Group City for these facilities, fantastic facilities, thank you very much indeed. I'd like also to thank my colleagues in the UIMA, Dr. Moayad, Dr. Firas, Dr. Nawfal, Dr. Ranj, if I miss anyone.
Dr. Sadeek.
Dr. Sadeek, thank you very much indeed for your help and support.
You're welcome.
Please enjoy your time. Here is here to enjoy your time and to learn. So please be relaxed, don't stress. You can ask questions if you have any question, and also have a chance to meet all together after the training to have feedback from you, and also we can answer your questions. Have a good day. Thank you very much indeed.
Thank you. Okay, so basically the course will run in this structure. There are 3 lectures, and then there is a demo, and then we're going to spread ourselves in 4 groups. We're going to go through 4 stations, and then the last one will be a station for the whole groups doing the ALS and what we learned. Okay, so the course will be the course will be very interactive, and this it works both ways. We learn from you, we learn how do you do things, and also hopefully you will learn something from us as well. Okay, so the first lecture is how can we?
Well, I think we have some sort of a technical glitch with this, with the whole IT system.
Wallah.
It's just suddenly stopped talking.
All stop.
So all stopped. There was a lady here who's trying to get it done. You just.
Okay, so we'll hold on for 2 minutes. Right. In this course, there are a few points that you need to learn and to set it up in your practice. These are things that is deliver best service for your patients. Okay, the idea of all advanced life support training and courses is to generate this common language between medical professionals. Doctors, nurses, all health professionals will have one language to understand each other and to work as a team. And this language is basically the algorithm that we follow and the protocols and guidelines that's integrated in these algorithms. Okay, that's the whole idea. So what we try to achieve in this course is to build a team. And that team is focused around our patients. a patient who require resuscitation. All right. Teamwork is important and leadership is important. So, during the course of this course or training, everyone and each of you will be a member of the team and also will have the opportunity to lead the team. So that's build some skills that all doctors will need it in dealing with such scenarios. Okay. Now you may notice that this training course or training workshop is based on the European sort of algorithm and resuscitation council. So it's the European and the UK resuscitation council, but it's not much difference from the American one. So if there's any small difference, it's very minute and shouldn't make any difference. The other thing which I need to say as well, the idea of having this course is to equip you with some skills that deals with the patient, whatever career you pursue in your life. So if you go on through orthopedics or general surgery or physician, you will all have the same basic principles that you can apply. So that's why maybe these principles or these training may not be in depth. So if we go into ECG analysis or ECG interpretation or blood gas interpretation, I know cardiologists probably will dig deep into this ECG. It's not at the same level as orthopedic surgeon or a general surgeon. We all know that. But we should all have the same principle and the minimum standards that's applied to our patients. So we save lives.